Welcome back. Goa police seized 37 barrels of oil in a raid on Monday from Nuve. The oil was being smuggled with the help of some local residents. Goa police conducted the raid on the complaint of local residents. Police have registered offence against the owner of the oil tanker used to smuggle the oil.
Maina Koturi police says 37 barrels of oil that was being smuggled with the help of Nuve residents on Monday. Oil tankers fled away from the spot before police arrived at the spot. Registration number of the tanker and other details have been furnished to the police by Nuve residents. Locals say that oil smuggling was a regular activity in the area over past many months.
तो टँकर पळयलो आमी दोगांनी मिनीन आनी हांव वयतालो वयताना तो टँकर हांवें आडायलो तो म्हणलो नाल्यार लागलो म्हाका कितें दित म्हणलो हांवें म्हणलें म्हाका दिता ना तूं हिंगा बंद कर हे हितू नाका कळ्ळें तुका परत मागीर हांव वॉल्त मान एक सोडो आपल्या बायले हाडपाक गेलो तेन्ना येयलो हेणें मुजेर हिंग हें कोण तेणें फोन मान तेका पळय हाडलो मुजे एक तापड मारलो तेणें मुजाचेर आनी हे दिवळी सुरी काडल्या मुजे मारपा हांवें म्हणलें कात तर कोण तो लाबान आनी हिचो तेणें केळी फार्म कातोले आतां पुलीस गेल्या म्हणटा ते ना देर बंद करुना पूण घरा आहा पूण आमी हें पळय तेणें पुरयलां मुगे हो तो पयले आनी जाग मुगेलो तो हांव पुरयना पंचायता कंप्लेन दिली हांवें 2 कलेक्टरा दिला मामलेदारा पुलिशे दिला
कितें आसा
खंयचे हिंगा ही बेरेला सगळी बोल्लो हांवें ऑयलीची आख्खी कंप्लीट ऑयल आहा सगळ्यांनी गांवचो लोक जाय तिल्लो सगळ्यांनी चॅक केला आख्खे बोल्लोले ऑयल आनी पयर पुलिशेक गेलो हांव पीआयक सांगलें पीआय म्हणलो हाली आहा पूण आयज तुज्या गेल्यार सगळी बेरेल बोल्लो हांवें पीआयन म्हाका सांगलें आपल्या टँकर हाली मेळ्ळो म्हणून पीआयन म्हाका सांगलें हांव फुद्द गेलोलो कंप्लेन दिवपाक हांवें म्हणलें मेळ्ळो जाल्यार मागीर कंप्लेन दिता आनी आज कंप्लेन हांव दिता पुलिशेक.
A reporter from Nuve, Sameer Bhatt.
Now news from sports. The ONGC Asian Billiards and Snooker Championships kicked off on Monday at Club Tennis de Gaspar Dias in Miramar. The Goan Q sports enthusiast can look forward to an excellent treat of high-quality billiards in the course of this week. Coach of India Q sports team Manoj Kothari believes that the tournament will be highly competitive as other Asian countries also have title contenders. Head of Sports Department of ONGC V. Kumar Mahendro expressed delight at being a part of such a big event.
Well, ONGC has been doing a lot for the promotion of sports, including billiards. So we always see an opportunity wherever there's a chance that we can give a better opportunity for the players to compete in tournaments. We always come forward. In this case too, our chief national coach, Mr. Kothari, spoke to me in detail. There was the importance of this championship. And we also had Mr. Alok Kumar as defending champion of Asian Championship, which was held in Iran last year. So he said, why not? This time we sponsor this also.
You all did a lot of sponsorship for football in the past, and has there been some policy change that you are going into looking into different sports?
No, it's not that we will not sponsor football. We have been sponsoring football even now. Of course, not at the level of I-League. But we thought, fine, we had a very long association with the I-League, and why not look at other sports also besides this?
Which are the other sports that you think the ONGC thinks that need extra attention to raise their profile in India?
I think there are quite a bit of sports in which we get very less attention from the other corporate houses, where we have better chances of getting medals also, like boxing, wrestling, shooting. And ONGC perhaps is the only public sector which has adopted these games also. We have players on scholarship and on regular roles of ONGC in shooting. We also have taken players on scholarship for wrestling and boxing. We also have a very good team of Kabaddi, and last time we had 2 players who had won the Asian gold medal for the India. So we are looking at other sports also, which nobody else takes care. We feel we are the persons we feel responsible as a corporate social responsibility scheme. So we take care of those games.
Whatever the snooker billiards buffs are there in Goa, because they'll get the good treat of snooker. Some young, very talented player from China and Hong Kong and Bangkok, they have come, besides UAE and our Indian boys. So it's going to be a good event. And in billiards, of course, we have got the best lineup. And Peter Gilchrist has come, another world champion. So you can see about 5-6 world champions in the fray, like Pankaj Advani, Rupesh Shah, they all won the world title. Then we have an Indian team, Devendra Joshi, a new boy, a veteran rather, not new boy, Arun Agarwal, Pankaj. So it's beautiful, it's going to be a very good event.
So we can rest assured high quality billiards and...
Oh, certainly, yes, very high quality billiards. But of course, this billiards is a 100 up format. So the players may not get the chance to showcase their best talent, in terms of break building. Like last time in Pune in the World Championship, we saw Mike Russell making a 1000 break. We saw Pankaj making a 600 odd break. We saw Geet Sethi making a 300 odd break like that. But that we may not see, but we can see how consistently they can make 100 breaks. That is also another thing to see. It's going to be very, very interesting, and it will be a very tougher among the Indians also, Like Indians, they are so good in it.
As a defending champion, what do you make of the field here?
It is quite competitive. I think 7 or 8 players are capable of winning the title. I'm happy to be one of them. So, looking forward to a good tournament.
Who do you think will be your biggest threat here for the title?
You have Pankaj Advani here, who is 7 times world champion. You have 2 other former world champions in Peter Gilchrist of Singapore and Prabhupada of Thailand. Then our own Devendra Joshi, Dhruv Sitwala, Rupesh Shah. So it is a tough field. You can't predict a winner.
How has been your form coming into this tournament?
It's okay. I won't call it great, but I think with the way the tournament progresses, I should improve with every match.
A sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Prajot Pednekar from Myanmar.
Dempo Sports Club Juniors thrashed Sporting Club de Goa lads by 6-1 to win the SEZA Cup Under-20 football tournament. The tournament was organized by SEZA Football Academy at their premises in Sirsai.
Romeo Fernandes was the star for Dempo in the finals. Romeo scored a fine hat-trick to power his side to victory in the one-sided title clash. This was a revenge of sorts for Dempo, who had lost to Sporting in the finals of Tasa Goa recently. Here are some of the highlights of the match.
मिला रे
A big hand for Sporting Goa.
Our reporter from Sirsai, Uday Parab.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get the latest news as and when it happens. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.